Hi, everybody. It's Brandon with Precision Defensive Solutions. Just a quick thought. If you've made changes to your carry gun and you haven't vetted it, have you asked yourself why? Why would you not vet something that you changed on your gun? So recently, I gave the Taylor Freelance back straps a try. Didn't really like them the first time because they were a little big, but I thought, I'm going to try them again. Ordered another set after I gave one away and sold one. And I'm glad that I did vet it because the magazines were actually sticking in the gun because it bent the frame enough to catch the magazine. Be sure you vet what you're using because if you're not, then you may have a problem on the worst day of your life. Take care, everybody. Be safe. We'll talk to you soon.